Hi everyone, I'm Irfan bin Rosli from School of Biological Science. I'm glad to be here with you today. Before I start, I would like to share my topic is negative effect to our body when we are angry. So, in this speech, I will give my opinions on how to control our emotion to avoid from negative effect. I believe that most people know that being angry are not good for health and our body. When we have an argument, it's easy to stay or upset with the person. If we don't settle it, it can be a very uncomfortable experience. To begin, I would like to share with you, if we feel out of control, walk away from the situation until cool down. Anger triggers the body response because adrenal glands flood the body with stress hormones, such as adrenaline. This hormone controls heart rate and blood pressure. For the example, if this chemical higher amount in the body, it can lead to increased heart rate and blood pressure. So, it will give you a heart attack for the negative effect. Moving on to the next point, which is if we are angry, do something physical, such as going for a run or playing sport. Anger possible to get a stroke because blood supply to part of brain is interrupted, preventing brain tissue from getting oxygen and nutrients. Brain cells begin to die in a minute. So, healthy lifestyle are the best step to prevent the stroke. The next point is, if we feel angry, we can talk to someone that we trust about how our feelings to avoid a depression. It's caused by a combination of biological, psychological, and social factors that can vary from one person to another. It is occur when the chemical imbalance in the brain. Biological factors can certainly play a role in depression, including inflammation, hormonal changes, and immune system. Psychological and social factors such as past trauma, substance abuse, and loneliness. So, reach out to the friends and loved ones if you feel like being alone or don't want to be a burden to others, can reduce a depression. For the conclusion, well-managed anger can be a useful emotion that motivates to make positive change. Anger is a powerful emotion. Uncontrolled anger can lead to argument, physical fight, and self-harm. And finally, before I end of this speech, I would like to motivate my audience on how to control our emotion to avoid from negative effect when we are angry. Thank you for your interest and attention.